Tom, what's on your mind?
It's not bad.
What is it? Come on.
You know you're my best friend, right?
Tommy, you're my best friend too. Did you sign up for the police softball league? God, this arm.
All right. Here comes the pitch. Ready? Here comes the pitch. That was our only fucking ball.
Up and down.
1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. You know I can only throw paper, right?
John, she's pregnant.
Are you serious?
Is something going on between you two? Tommy, I would never hurt you. What should I do? He's my friend.
To hold it, that alright, yeah. Get my gun away when it's loaded, that alright.
It's a puppet!
With you.
Out with the waste. This is not what I do. It's the wrong.
John, you don't have to do this, man. Put your fucking mouth on the curb!
She's pulling me through. It's a small crime, and I got no excuse. And is that alright? Yeah.